Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the third and final part of this perfume declutter. We are tackling over here today. So in my first two videos, we did up here, then we did here, now we're doing here. So this is like the last end of it, so there's not that much left to tackle. So I'm so excited to finally be finishing up this series because I literally need to be organized. Like I need to figure this out because this is kind of madness. Even up here is getting a little disorganized and it's kind of bugging me out. But I have set like a new goal where I am not buying any more new perfumes until I'm down to like 5 because I have way too many. I literally need to finish all of my perfumes before I go ahead and buy any more because this is just like getting ridiculous, okay? So if you guys are interested for this final part of this declutter, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this because this needs to be handled, okay? I hope this angle is like good for you guys. Hold on, wait, let me move. Ugh. Okay, so I feel like this angle is pretty good. So I guess we'll start with over here. So this is like body sprays and body oils and all of that. So up first we have the Salt Air Santal Bloom one. I absolutely love this. It's literally one of my favorite body oils, so definitely keeping her. And then I literally just got this in PR. This is their brand new scent in Golden Hour. This smells amazing. I have their body wash in this scent, one of my faves. So, oh, then let's do more Salt Air. This is a lot of Salt Air over here, okay? So then we have their new Santal Bloom Sunscreen Body Oil. I spoke about this a few times on my channel already. So this is in the scent Santal Bloom. And then I also have their Pink Beach scent. These are amazing. They will literally glow when you're wearing these. And I took one of them to Aruba with me and I did not burn at all. So I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10, recommend that. Let's get into all this other stuff. So I have a bunch of their body sprays. So the Pink Beach Body Mist from Salt Air is one of my absolute favorites. So like Pink Beach is one of my favorite scents from them, but there's something in this body spray, you guys, because it does not smell. It smells like the body wash and the body lotion, but it's a little bit stronger. A little bit more coconutty. It smells amazing. Every time I wear this, I get 1,000,001 compliments on it, and it's always sold out, so I never use it because I don't want to run out of it, but I need to start using it because I get so many compliments. And then this scent, Pacific Pear, another one of my favorites. Salt Air makes so many amazing scents. This kind of reminds me of like an old school Victoria's Secret perfume. I don't really know which one I would like say, but it has notes of juicy pear, jasmine, and sandalwood, and girl, this smells incredible. Again, one of my favorites. And then we have Exotic Pulp. This is very, very summery. Like this is summer. This is notes of juicy orange, guava, and driftwood. So it's different than any other perfume or body spray that I own. I would say this is a very acquired scent. I personally love this, but you may not like it. It's very woodsy, but you definitely get a lot of that juicy orange in here. So it's very different. It's kind of the opposite of like these two, if you will. But again, I do love these so much. Then, oh my God, I think this is empty. Yeah, this isn't empty. This is the Pacifica Neon Moon, what is it, Hair and Body Mist. I absolutely love this scent from Pacifica. I do think that they discontinued this scent though when they reformulated. This was, it actually isn't even, oh yeah, sandalwood, jasmine, and smoky cardamom, whatever the heck that is. But you guys, this smells amazing. I wish that they didn't get rid of the scent because it was so unique. That sandalwood was very much in there, but it just smelled amazing. And every time I wore that, I would get so many compliments. Same thing with the body lotion. This is actually empty and I'm so sad because this body lotion would last so long. I don't know why I kept it here, but I knew that it was empty. But anyways, this would last so long on me. Literally, I would put it on in the morning and then by the end of my shift at work, I would still smell, oh yeah, this smells really expired. Like this needs to go. But I'm pretty sure they don't make this anymore because I can't find it online and I can't find it in Ulta anymore. I used to get these at Ulta, so that's sad because that was a great scent. Then, oh my God, we have a ton of Victoria's Secret stuff. So let's bring this all forward, okay? First, we have this Tree Hut Tropic Glow Shimmer Body Mist. This doesn't really give much. Like it smells cute, it smells just like the Tropic Glow scent, but this really doesn't give what I want it to give. Like this kind of just like shoots out. It's not like a fine mist, and I don't really like the sparkles in it because if I'm spraying it on my clothes, I don't necessarily want my clothes to be like all sparkly and stuff. I do love how this smells, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it because it is kind of old and I just think I'm never gonna use it because I haven't reached for it in literally months. Then this from JLo Body. This is their Tighten and Tease Ultimate Body Serum. Can I tell you guys, I was kicked off their PR list because I didn't want to do a video based on one of their products. Like, this was actually not bad, but yeah, they kicked me off their PR list because I didn't like do a video for them. So I'm like, please, you want me to do a video for you and then you don't want to like pay me? Okay, bye. So JLo Beauty, I'm getting rid of it all because you guys are not very nice. And we have this Pacifica. Ooh, why is this leaking? This is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Body Oil. I can't believe this is actually leaking. I really like this. It smells really, really different. It has avocado oil and Borges? I don't even know how the fuck to say that, but I do really like the scent. So I'm so sad that it's like leaking. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is gonna be like a perfume part 3 plus like declutter because there's a lot of stuff I'm getting rid of. Then what's this? Another Pacifica. Oh, this is empty. Pacifica Island Vanilla Body Lotion. I love this. I really do love a lot of Pacifica body products, you guys. I think this brand is amazing. I've spoke about it a million times. Their skincare, their body care. I really, really genuinely enjoy their products. This I would definitely repurchase, but again, I think they discontinued it when they reformulated all their stuff. So this I'm going to be throwing out because it is actually empty. We have some foot creams from Soap and Glory. If you know, you know. These are like the OG foot creams. Like if you have dry feet and you suffer from dry feet, flaky feet, you know what I mean? Like just dry feet, okay, you guys? These will save your day. I'm a dry skin girl. I'm dry skin everywhere, so I'm always using these. This one is like the overnight heating one. You will definitely feel the heat when you use this. This one is just their OG foot cream. I actually haven't used it in a while because I've been using the Pre-Cool one, which is this one, which I really, 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 really like. But this one is also really good. So I will be keeping these because I do appreciate a good foot cream. I have just a bunch of Victoria's Secret body mist. So we have this one, Pure Seduction in Bloom. This one is actually discontinued, which sucks because it smells amazing. But you guys, I genuinely don't use these anymore. I don't use Victoria's Secret body sprays or their body lotions because I have seen so many articles online about how bad these are for you. But they do smell freaking amazing. I will keep some of them mainly just for the gym. This one in Early Morning Sun used to be one of my favorite scents by them. So I think I'm gonna keep maybe like 1 or 2 or maybe even, I think this one's full. Yeah, this is a full one. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep a few of these. And I think I'm gonna keep this one, Love Spell and Cream, this one, an Early Morning Sun, and then this one, just because I do need like body sprays for the gym. So this one smells good. This one, I'm so sad because number 1, they don't make it anymore. And number 2, it's just so bad for you. This one has notes of peach blossom, cashmere woods, and I guess that's it. But smells amazing. I just wish that these weren't so bad for you. You guys are probably like, why are you even keeping any of them if you're saying they're so bad for you? And I totally agree. But I feel like for the gym, for like a few sprays in the morning, like I think that's okay. As long as I'm not like drowning myself in them throughout the day, I think that is fine. Okay, so we have more. Oh my god. Then we have Victoria's Secret Cherry Blossom Body Lotion. You guys, I used to drown myself in their body lotions and their body spray. So I was probably poisoned years ago. But I have not used this in like over 2 years. So I'm definitely getting rid of this. I really try to stay like more on the cleaner side, especially when it comes to lotions and when I'm applying directly on my skin. So anything from Victoria's Secret or Bath & Body, I don't use anymore. And then we have this. This is from American Eagle. This is their Surf Fragrance Mist, you guys. This smells amazing. This is one of my favorite scents of all time, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Now let's move over to what's over here. There's not much, if I'm being totally honest. So up first, let's see. This is definitely an empty. This is so empty. I was actually saving it for this video. This is a KKW perfume. Again, this is disgustingly dusty, so I do apologize if that grosses you out, but this is an old KKW perfume. This is, I don't even know what scent it was in, but this was like her limited edition Valentine's Day collection from like years ago. So I wish she would just bring back her perfume on because it was so good. Then we have these two from Pacifica. So this is their Wake Up Beautiful Retinoid Body Serum and Retinoid Body Lotion. I love these. If I'm ever feeling like I have like bumps on my skin or I'm kind of irritated, I will use these and everything will go away. I actually need to use these today because I love a body retinol. I think this is so freaking cool. I have this. This is from Saltaire. It's their Santal Bloom deodorant. I think this is like empty. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look at that. I've literally, Oh my god, it smells so good. I've used and abused this, so it's time for her to go. But I do, you guys, love a ton of Saltaire products. I don't know if you guys have picked up on that, but Saltaire is one of my favorite body care brands. Then we have this from Trader Joe's, and this actually sucks, so I'm getting rid of it. This is the Brazil Nut Body Oil. So last year during Christmas, I went to Trader Joe's because I was told, or not told, but I saw on TikTok that they had like a Sol de Janeiro dupe, and this was it. And does it smell like kind of like coconutty or like the Brazilian oil or the Brazilian cream? Kind of, but this just has a weird like after smell to it. So this is getting tossed because it was just not it. And we have this from Skin Proud. This is their exfoliating body serum, and to be totally honest, I never ever reach for this. So I will be getting rid of this because I have used it a few times and I really don't think that there's anything like special about it. So I'm gonna be getting rid of that. Oh my god, oh, this is empty. This is another Old Pacifica scent. This is their Indian coconut nectar body mist, and I used to love this too. I love coconut scent, and I really was obsessed with that, but that's actually empty. So then we have these two from Miss Ari. So this one is actually one of her newer scents. This is Cloud Pink, I'm pretty sure, and you guys, I freaking love this scent. This scent. It does kind of smell like the original Cloud, but like a little bit more fruity in my opinion. I have seen mixed reviews on this, and I feel like some people love it, some people hate it. I personally love it. It's one of my favorite perfumes. So this I'm definitely keeping. And then this one, you guys, I don't know what she put in here, but this is, I need to tell you guys this scent, so just give me a second. Okay, so this is her scent in the scent Mod Blush. You guys, I need to read you these notes because, to be totally honest, this is one of my favorite perfumes of all time. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, so fragrance family, amber woody. So the top is passion fruit, Italian bergamot, bright raspberry, pink pepper. The middle is dewy magnolia, pink rose petals, juicy pear, and the base is ambrox, dreamwood, and radiant musk. You guys, every single time I wear this perfume, I get 1,000,001 compliments on it, and a little goes such a long way. I never use it because it's just one of my favorites, but I do need to start using it. I'm not a total fan of the packaging. This kind of reminds me of like a Jurassic Park egg. Like, I don't know. I really wish that she would kind of make the packaging a little bit more like user-friendly. This is kind of annoying, but I guess I kind of get what she was going for with this. Like very like spacey vibes, I guess. But you guys, this smells, I'm going to spray it actually. Amazing. Oh, one of my favorite perfumes of all time. I'm so serious when I say that. But I feel like that was like relatively easy to go through. That was everything. So you guys, this entire area is finally organized. I'm gonna like clean up this a little bit. This Lancome box is actually the first Lancome PR box that I've ever gotten. I got it about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. So I've kept it all this time because I just think it's like such like a milestone in my like influencer career. So that is all that is here, but it feels so good to finally have this like area finished. Even though like there wasn't that much to get rid of, there was still a decent amount of stuff that I'm getting rid of. So I feel like we have made good progress. So this is how I kind of decided to like organize it. I put like the Pacifica and like the foot creams over here, and then I put all, hold on, I have to like move out of the way, guys. 1 second. This is a very tight enclosed area. Okay, and then I put like let me lower the camera. Oh, okay. I put like body oils and body sprays over here, and then like thicker body lotions here, and then I moved the 2 Ariana Grande perfumes up here and kind of like left it like that. Okay, guys, so that completes this long overdue part 3 of this declutter, organization, collection, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series, and I need to stick to my like goal of not buying any more perfumes for such a long time because I need to finish what's here, and then I still have like PR perfume that's like in another room because there's no room here. I probably should have included those in this video, but those are like unopened. They're kind of like in their boxes, so they're just like waiting for their moment to move over to the main collection. So they will get their moment at some point. Yeah, so that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Do not forget to leave me any of your video requests down below, as I would be so happy to film any videos that you guys are like wondering about, any makeup videos, any perfume videos. Let me know down below, and I will be so happy to do that for you guys. As always, I will hopefully see you guys in my next video.